What are you gonna do?
Stop it.
Not like that.
Do it again. Stop it!
Okay, I'm gonna poke you.
Do me. Stop it.
Not like that.
Look.
Popey, look. Poke. What are you gonna do? Nico, shh. I'm serious. What are you gonna do? Poke.
Ow!
So what are you gonna do?
I'll poke him in the face.
No.
No.
Go like this.
I'll poke him in
Stop
the
it.
eyeball.
Say stop it.
This is how you do it. Stop it.
Do the thing that Popey did, Nico.
What?
This.
What?
Go in front of it. Go in front and do this.
Now?
Yeah. What does that mean? Don't pull his hair. Don't pull his hair. Don't.
Poke.
No. Show me what you're gonna do. Show me what you're gonna do. Stop it. Popey, do it.
Popey, do this. Stop. Popey, do this. Popey, do this. Popey, do this.
Popey.
Popey, do this.
No. So,
Popey.
do this.
Popey,
Popey, come on. Now you have to go take a shower.
No.
That's it. No more.
Do me.
No.
Take me out to the
Stop
bar.
it. You guys, come on, don't make a mess. Stop it. Do it.
Stop it.
Do it the way. That's weird. Great. Now it's time for a shower, and then book report.
No. How was
Book report. First, finish your homework.
I did.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Tell Daddy about soccer
Do
today.
this again.
Tell Daddy about soccer. Tell Daddy about soccer.
Hi, soccer. Bye. Stop it.
Okay, good night. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye. Good night, Daddy.
Nicole. Stop it. Both of you.